start just doing something simple. I just thought I was trying to do a live feed, but it seems like with YouTube, it's not working out. It's asking me to do it on a laptop or something. I guess I'm not authorized for mobile. But today it's nothing, nothing spectacular. But today I'm just going to be talking a little bit about the truck. It's a 2008 Cadillac Escalade, and I'm also going to be. What I'm actually doing today is I had ordered some brake pads. The left brake pads were really bad. I had ordered some brake pads for the rears. I installed them on the left side. I did a video on that. There should be a link up there somewhere for you to check that out. But I'm just going to go ahead, nothing different. I'm just, I was going to do a live stream, but now I'm just going to go ahead and just record it and upload it. I got a couple videos coming out for my viewers. People that subscribe to the channel. I replaced the lower control arm on a Jeep Patriot. A couple other things. I got a cleaning for air filters, and but I just wanted to do a quick video just to give you an update. I've been really busy just in real life, and it's been hard to edit videos. I got a lot of video that I need to edit, but I'll get that out to you guys as soon as possible. I just want to thank everybody for the comments. It's been really nice just interacting with everybody and helping out the community. So today, that's what I'm doing today, just live, just, me doing an inspection of the brakes and me, replacing the brake pads on this vehicle. Now the brakes, I have been driving the car, it's been sitting for about half an hour, so it's still going to be probably pretty hot. If you do this at home, make sure you wait till those things, all these components cool down at least an hour. Let me get some gloves just in case. It's my protection. And I got a video coming up on how to refill the jack with hydraulic fluid, which I just recently did. In the air. Safety first. Alright, so I got a jack stand there. And we'll be going. So it's more. There we go. Definitely worth the investment. And I should need a new tire soon. Very, very soon. I already kind of knew that, but these are not cheap tires. These are about $250 a piece. So that's next on the agenda. Alright, so we're going to get started. 13 millimeters, which you need to remove the caliper bolts. One of the bolts, there's two bolts, one here, one on the back side. One on the back side, I had to use get underneath and get a breaker bar in order to break it free. It was rusted up, and it's just sometimes what happens. That was a 13 millimeter, but once I got that done, that bolt, once it's loosened, then we should be all right, which I already did. There you go. So that bolts out. This thing comes out here. It should just shimmy out. Just be careful with this. You got a brake line over here, so try to remove the bottom out first. And place this up top somewhere. Or usually I zip tie it, but you can do that. And you can see the old brake pads. Yeah, they were on their last leg. So that's what the brake pads kind of look like. They're pretty much done. And I'm gonna get some brake cleaner and clean all this up. Hey, that's for me.
How you doing now?
Good, good. How about you?
All right. Putting on some new brakes.
Yeah.
Is it hard for the rear?
Nah, they're all pretty easy with these. They're all disc brakes, so you just get the pads.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, the pads aren't too expensive. It's just, you know, just taking everything off.
Is it just like the front?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's the same thing. They're just smaller pads.
Gotcha,
They're
gotcha.
not as big as the paddle. The front ones are a lot bigger. Anywhere where you have contact metal on metal. And actually, I have to compress. Caliper compression tool. Get the spot words out there. And for this, I am going to need the brake pads. So all right, so the piston's all the way compressed. Now, one thing that you need to see, actually, let's put the clips back in. I think they're both exactly the same. And you just go in just like that and slide in. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grease up the tops of these. Just the little grooves here. Now onto the brake pads. Try not to get any of the grease on the brake pads. So you're supposed to pull off this plastic protector on this one, it says. The other thing that you need to look at is, with this particular vehicle, there is the rivets. One of the pads has them on the inside, and the other one has them on the outside. Make sure that the ones that are on the inside go on this side that's not on the piston, because otherwise these little things will score the piston. So you got to make sure that you put them on the right side. So the side with the piston is going to be on this side, So you want to put this way, the side with without the two rivets on the inside are going to go on this side. Right up against the disc. And then the other one, actually, well, I already had greased the inside of the thing, but anyways, you really should grease the little nipples here. Actually, I still end up doing, I may take them off to do that, just to make sure, to be thorough. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this, actually I gotta remove this plastic. These are in here. All right, that's tacky. All right, so I am putting this. All right, so put it in. Now we're gonna put the caliper back on and sandwich them. These bolts here, they need to come out. You need to clean these and grease these up. So that's my bad. These are the caliper bolts. Try to line up the bottom first. Okay, so these bolts need to be tight. So that's gonna be it. Everything is back on. Looks good. Lug nuts are gonna be torqued down to 100 foot-pounds also. 110 actually for these, because these are 22-inch rims. 110 foot-pounds of torque on the lug nuts, and just putting everything back. Now I'm looking to maybe replace these airbags just because they're probably, you know, they're old, and I probably get a better ride. It looks like it's just 2 bolts and two clips, and that should be it to replace that. So that's something else that I'm going to be looking into, depending on whether I keep the truck or not. I'm right now considering getting something else, which I'll leave as a surprise. But that's pretty much it. Obviously, you guys probably don't want to see me putting a tire back on and putting everything back on and putting my tools away. So I'm just going to cut it short. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, just go ahead and subscribe. You know, today's probably not going to edit much. Just kind of a real time, you know, of what happens, you know, when you want to replace the brakes. From here, you go up there, you have to pump the brakes a bunch of times until it feels, hard, and then you can go out and test drive it. That's going to be it. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, hit the like button, and comment. I definitely appreciate any comments that you have for me. Any recommendations, anything that you want to see out of me, out of any of these cars, or something that maybe you have on your car that you need to work on. Maybe it's something that I have in common or something, or I've had it done already before, so I can help you out. So if you can, just go ahead, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you.